The rugged tooth Q1002 was designed to take on tough cutting applications like nickel alloys, titanium, Inconel, and other exotics with ease and unmatched power. The Q1002 is optimized with a high-grade triple chip carbide and its positive rake angle on the tooth. This promotes a machine-workable finish while also promoting greater wear and heat resistance for blade longevity. The triple chip succeeds where other bimetal blades fail, making it a prime choice for those working in aerospace, steel service centers, or any production cutting environment. Unlike other carbide tip bandsaw blades out there, we've engineered the rugged tooth Q1002 to be versatile. The Q1002 boasts of a high level forgiveness and tolerance and will work on almost any metal cutting bandsaw. Get your rugged tooth Q1002 Triple Chip Carbide bandsaw at Sawblade.com. Sawblade.com manufactures quality, long-lasting, made-to-order American bandsaw blades, and we stand behind them with a 100% customer satisfaction guarantee. Shop from a wide variety of sawing products with confidence like carbon, bimetal, and carbide bandsaw blades. Sawblade.com can also accommodate your other cutting needs with circular blades, coolant, and other replacement parts. Sawblade.com. No middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.